I have a confession. I am not zero waste. I just want to put it out there. As much as I'm trying so hard to go on a zero waste lifestyle, truth is, I'm not. Yes, I bring along a tumbler, a stainless steel straw, and I bring a tote bag anywhere. But there are certain areas of my life that I can't seem to give up. I'm just being real here. This video is not about to discourage your zero waste efforts, but it's all about acknowledging what you're currently doing kahit gaano pa ka baby steps yan. This video is a reminder to not be too hard on yourself because you know what? I've been there. I knew about zero waste December 2017 and man, kinareer ko talaga siya. As in, I'll be your annoying friend who would judge you kapag gumagamit ka ng straw. And to be honest, that's just not nice. Then I started beating myself up kasi hindi ako katulad ng zero waste na nakikita ko sa YouTube or sa Instagram. So if you are new in this movement, I am here to tell you, you should not compare yourself to anyone on social media. This is your journey and you should honor your pace. But as of now, I just want to be real here. Going zero waste is hard. Because number one, we don't have enough recycling facilities here in the Philippines. Tsaka sobrang limited din ng tinatanggap nilang recycling materials. And then next is that it's the truth. We are not ready for a closed loop system yet. So anyway, here are the areas of my life that I'm not zero waste. First is skincare. Because alam nyo naman lahat na sobrang addicted ko with skincare. But when I started transitioning into a zero waste lifestyle, I minimized siguro yung pagbili ko ng mga products, and then I make sure it's cruelty-free. And as much as possible, I want to use and test local products. And I also started being mindful kung ano yung lalagyan niya. Next area naman is food. Josh and I are trying to incorporate more vegetables into our diet, but as of now, we are not yet vegan. And as you might already know, the animal and meat industry is one of the largest industries that contributes so much sa carbon footprint. Next naman is medicine. This is one of my non-negotiables. So health talaga sa akin is one of my priorities. And then dito ko rin nakikita yung ibang mga plastic containers na galing sa vitamins. So yung mga pinapop natin ganon, or yung sa mga bottles na hindi recyclable. It's just sad, but wala eh. Priority ko talaga yung health. I also drive a car, and of course, that's carbon footprint. With this heat dito sa Pilipinas, siguro isa yun sa mga conveniences na hindi ko pa kayang mag-give up. And kasi kapag, kailangan ko rin talaga siya kapag kunwari may bazaars or errands and stuff na mahirap i-commute. Josh has an electric scooter, pero takot talaga ako magmotor, so is a no. I also still own notebooks and pens. I just love them. It makes me happy. Journaling in a real notebook na may papery feeling, and the pen just gives me so much satisfaction. My cats and Bagnet, my dog, is also not zero waste. Yes, I buy their food in bulk, pero yung lalagyan nila is still foil, is still plastic, and technically, that's still not zero waste. And syempre yung mga medicines nila, vitamins, kapag may shots, syempre yung mga injection, yung mga gamot na kailangan nila. So, yun. So there you go, finally spilling the tea. And again, this is not to discourage you about your zero waste journey. And if anything, this is for you to enjoy the slow process of this journey and continue taking these small steps towards a better world. Let's just also be kinder and not judge people, lalo na yung mga nag-uumpisa pa lang. Kasi they are the ones that really need our help. Kasi nakikita ko sa mga groups, actually sa mga vegan and zero waste groups, napapansin ko parang sinajudge nila yung mga tao na, oy, hindi yan zero waste, or oy, hindi yan vegan. Let's be the community that supports each other and encourages each other to be better persons, and let's just stop the hate. Thanks again so much for joining me today. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this to your family and friends. Sending love and light your way, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Yeah! This is your Jordan. What am I gonna